Hello guys, and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about how to archive and compress by the command tar. Okay, first of all, I'll type ls to display the contents that I have here. Now, for example, I would like to archive and compress the directory public and give it the extension gzip or bzip2. Okay, now I'll archive and compress the directory and give it the extension gzip, and to do so I'll type the command tar -zcvf and then type the name of the file after I want it to be compressed and archived. I will name it, for example, public-gzip.tar.gz, and then I'll type the name of the directory that I want to archive and compress. And notice that in here I have added -z, and this -z is the option to compress the file in gzip, and I'll press enter. Okay, now I'll type ls, and as you can see, now I have the file compressed. Right now I'll clear the page. Okay, now this time let's compress the same directory with the command tar, but this time with the extension bzip2. So I will type tar -gcvf and then give it a name. For example, this time I'll name it public-bzip.tar.bz2, and then the name of the directory, which is public. And notice that this time I have added -j in the beginning. So the J here indicates that I want it to be with bzip2 extension, not gzip. So -z is for gzip extension, and -j is for bzip2 extension. And I'll press enter. Okay, now I'll press ls, and as you can see, I have two compressed and archived files of the same directory, one with bzip2 extension and the other with gz extension. Okay, now let's see how to extract those archived and compressed files. I'll delete the public directory first. I'll type rm-rvf and then type the name of the directory. Okay, as you can see, now it is removed. If you type ls, you will not find the directory over here. And I'll try to extract one file of those two files. Let's, for example, extract the one with the gzip extension. So I will type tar -xvf and then type the name of the file. .tar.gz, and this option over here, -x, of course, is the extraction option, and tar -xvf, this command is used to extract both types of extension, either if it's gzip or bzip2. So now I'm extracting the gzip extension file, and I'll press enter. Okay, now I'll type ls, and as you can see, the directory appeared again for me after it has been extracted. Okay, now I have extracted one file, which is the gzip file. You can also view the contents of the archived and compressed file. So let's see how to view the contents of an archived and compressed file in the bzip extension file. I'll clear the page first and ls. Okay, to view the contents of an archived and compressed file, you will type tar minus tvf and then the name of the file, which is in this case public dash bzip and then .tar.bz2 and enter. And as you can see, it has displayed for me the content of the file, which is the directory public. And you can know that this is a directory because there is a D in the beginning of the permissions, as you can see over here. So by this lesson, we have seen how to archive and compress a file with the command tar by the extension bzip2 or gzip, and how to extract them, and also how to view the archived and compressed files content. Thank you very much for watching.